Hello everyone and welcome back to Sylvanian Oscar's channel. Today we will be decorating my Wisteria Terrace gift set with wallpapers. So the template that I've used is the one that I have printed off, which is for the Cedar Terrace. The reason why it works is because the Cedar Terrace is basically the same mode as the Wisteria Terrace gift set, so the wallpapers should be exactly the same. And I printed them off with a size of 100% actual scale, so when I cut through these, it should be able to fit on the walls. However, I don't really like the pattern for these wallpapers, so I've decided to use some of my own papers for this. So I'll cut this off as a template and use this to make the wallpapers that I need. So let's start. Ta-da! So I finished cutting all of these from the original printed template, and now we will be tracing these on the relevant papers that we want to be the pattern for our wallpapers, and we will see what will happen. Okay, ta-da! So I've chosen two different colors, one for the first floor, which I've used the green color because I feel like it fits the doors and the windows very well, and for the second and third floor I've decided to use the same color because then we can see that when we remove the floorboard for the third floor, we can then have a same pattern for our wallpapers, and it will look like an extension where we have a higher ceiling. So let's start putting them on the floors.
Okay, I'm done, so let's do a quick room tour that I'll show you after I've finished it with furniture. Looks quite pretty.
Start setting up the first floor of the wallpapered house. So I've decided to use this classic color sofa set because I feel like the green color and floral pattern goes very well with the door and also my wallpaper, so it's all kind of a green series. So let's put it here. Super lovely. I love this classic color sofa set. It goes well with every single set in my opinion. And let's have a TV set here because it looks nice. Okay, ta-da! So let's do a room tour. So we've got a TV set here. with the green door and green wallpaper, and it goes well with the green sofa set as well. Okay, so let's start setting up the second floor.